A California kidnapping case has come to an astonishing end. Police believe they have the victim, who was snatched from the street 18 years ago as a young girl. The 1991 disappearance of J.C. Lee Dugard led to an intense search, but no results. Now she has surfaced.
Child abduction is the offense of wrongfully removing or wrongfully retaining, detaining, or concealing a child or baby. Abduction is defined as taking away a person by persuasion, by fraud, or by open force or violence. There are two types of child abduction: parental child abduction and abduction by stranger. As reported in 2015, 56% of child abductions were taken by strangers. Nearly 23% were taken by parents, and 21% were taken by someone who was known. According to the National Center for Missing Exploited Children, in the U.S., nearly 800,000 children are reported missing each year. That's more than 2,000 a day. The NCMEC says 203,000 of those 800,000 are kidnapped each year by family members. A lot of people may be wondering, why would parents want to abduct their own child? But according to family abduction experts, parents cite the following reasons for kidnapping their own children. 1. To spite or punish the other parent. 2. From fear of losing custody or visitation rights. And 3. In rare cases, to protect the child from a parent who is perceived to molest, abuse, or neglect the child. I interviewed Jimmy A. Brown from the County District Attorney on what he knew about the Child Abduction Unit. Here's what he had to say.
Under the Minnesota law, child abduction is violating another person's right to physical custody or visitation of a child. A violation is taking away, keeping, withholding, or concealing a child. It depends on whether or not you have legal rights to custody. If you don't have legal rights, you should immediately contact a law enforcement or a child protective agency to report the danger. If you do have legal rights, you may withhold a child for a longer period of time if necessary to protect the child, but you must also follow these steps. Rule number 1, you must file a good cause report with the district attorney as soon as possible. Rule number 2, you must also seek a court ordering granting you custody. The CAU has located and recovered children from all over the world. The United States and many other countries have signed a written agreement or a treaty to return abducted children found within their borders.
A major solution to child abduction is Amber Alerts. The Amber Alert program is the voluntary partnership between law enforcement agencies, broadcasters, transportation agencies, and the wireless industry to activate an urgent bulletin in the most serious child abduction cases. The goal of an Amber Alert is to instantly galvanize the entire community to assist in the search for the safe recovery of a child.
As of December 23, 2015, there have been 800 children rescued and returned specifically because of Amber Alert. Amber Alerts also serve as check to those who would prey upon our children. Amber Alert cases have shown that some predators release the abduction child after hearing the Amber Alert. There are many ways you can get involved. The best way to help is to look at photos of missing children and report any information you may have regarding the whereabouts of those children to 1-800-THE-LOST.